Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making one of these thingies. The name of it will be in the title because I can't actually remember the name, but it's like a magic square thing, you know, because you just press the sides and it goes into a little rectangle. The original design's by Jeremy Chauffeur. I think that's his last name. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our piece of paper. We're going to fold it in half like that. Then the other way. It's pretty hard to see if it actually all lines up with yellow paper. You also have to make sure that you do all of your creases really hard. Otherwise it won't work as well. Now we're going to fold it in the middle, like so it's a rectangle instead of a triangle. But you got to crease it a lot, otherwise it won't work as well. Now we're going to do the same, just the other way, just turn it around. Next, we're going to fold this first flap back down to there, just pretty much just in the middle of this piece. Now we're going to do it to the other side. Then we're going to unfold it, fold it back like that. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Now we're going to do it to the next side. Now we're going to open it up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be folding this corner here all the way into the little gap here, because see, we just made a little fold like that, so we're just going to fold that into there. Now we're going to do it this side. So see, wait, I'll put it a little bit closer so you guys can see it. So when we folded those sides, we made little triangles or little squares. So we're going to be folding it so it's in between those two. And then we're just going to be doing that with every side. Now after you have done that, we're going to be folding the this point here just into its own little square right near these two lines here. And we're going to be doing that for all the sides. Then we're just going to unfold them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lift. First we should just make sure that all our folds are creased well for these bits here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to be pushing that in so that when we lift both of these sides up, it inverts like that. And after it inverts like that, we're going to just be folding this corner back down. Back down like that. And we're going to be doing this for the other sides as well. Oops, just knocked the camera stand. This last one's a little bit difficult. There we go. So at the moment it should look like a box, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to push on these side bits and it will come up, and then I'm just going to push on those and then we're done. So and if yours doesn't work straight away, just you don't have to unfold it. You can just crease it with your thumb and other finger. yeah, just crease it if it doesn't work at first, and then it should work. And then you can fold it like that, and then when you see, I didn't. There we go. Then when you press it there, makes a rectangle. So these two here, you press to make a rectangle. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, comment what you want me to make in the next video. And that's it.